everybody, welcome aboard my channel and on to a new video. If you are new here, you know exactly what to do. Hit that red subscribe button और अगर वहाँ तक जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है तो you can subscribe right from here as well. Alright, so today as you can see I am not even in uniform and that is because this particular video is going to be a different video. This video is all fun. एक्चुअली यूनिफॉर्म ना धुलने गई है. इंडिया में ना बहुत सारे फ्लाइंग क्लब्स हैं एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज फ्लाइंग क्लब्स हैव डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रक्टर्स. All these instructors have different characters and personalities. All of them are unique in their own ways. Today, in this particular video, we will talk about the different kinds of instructors you can expect to meet once you start your flying training. Stay tuned with me. I'm sure this particular video is going to be a lot of fun. Before starting this video, a slight disclaimer. This particular video is absolutely a fun video. None of it is meant to hurt anyone or pinpoint anything. So I request all my viewers to take this particular video very lightly. Thank you. Alright, so the first and the most common type of instructor you can expect to meet is the strict one, aka Mr. Kharoos. You better learn all your notes and procedures before flying with this man, otherwise he's going to make your life hell. This person will always be in his aviators and occasionally he also might have the dipstick in his hand, you know for what. He's usually a very experienced flyer. Flying with him you will learn a lot, but in the hard way.
Hey!
Oh no!
और बता, पढ़ के आया है? हाँ जी सर, बिल्कुल पढ़ के आया हूँ सर, बिल्कुल सब पता है सर मुझे. अच्छा, लैंडिंग करके दिखा. सर, मेरा पहला क्या सर पहला सॉर्टी है सर, मेरा पहला सॉर्टी है. तो क्या हुआ? पढ़ के नहीं आएगा? सर्किट लैंडिंग प्रोसीजर क्या है? इमरजेंसी प्रोसीजर क्या है? अबे पैर क्यों रडर पे है? अबे अंधे सामने देख ले, ये फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या सेट करके रखा है? अरे वो खोलियो, थोड़ा हवा आने यार. मेरी तरफ क्यों देख रहा है? बैक प्रेशर लगा, बैक प्रेशर. अबे सांस काहे ले रहा है बे? The second kind of instructor you can expect to meet is exactly opposite to the first kind. He is the sleeper. Now this particular instructor is absolutely confident about his student. So much so that he even prefers sleeping in the cockpit. He is so confident in what he has taught his student कि उनको पता है कि ये बंदा तो उड़ा देगा, मैं थोड़ा सो ही लेता हूँ, इन्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But surprisingly, this man would always wake up once you're going to land. और सर, आज का तो दिन बढ़िया लग रहा है. अरे सर देखिए कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. सर सर मेरा ना हेडिंग थोड़ा गड़बड़ लग रहा है. सर इंजन में ना थोड़ा सा वाइब्रेशन सा लग रहा है सर.
अरे यार, अब तो इनको जगाने का बस एक ही तरीका है.
अरे सर मेरा तो इंजन ही बंद हो गया सर, इंजन ही बंद हो गया सर. Tower Victor Sierra Mike, request landing clearance. The next kind of instructor you can expect to meet are the newbies. Now this guy has just gotten his instructor license and he's the sweetest person to fly with. You know, he's just always so happy to be flying as an instructor. But he's perpetually always so scared. This guy has some serious trust issues with you and your flying. No matter how much experienced you are, this person will never lift his hand from the controls. सर 10वां सर्किट है सर मेरा, अब थोड़ा लैंडिंग मैं कर लूं सर. हाँ करो ना. नो वरीज. ओके सर. बस एक मिनट, थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट, थोड़ा सा राइट. ये हेडिंग को इधर मेंटेन कर लो, लेफ्ट जाना है हेडिंग करने के लिए. अभी भी बॉल सेंटर में नहीं है. थोड़ा सा राइट रडर, थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट रडर, इंजन आरपीएम थोड़ा सा कम. इस हेडिंग को अभी हम मेंटेन करेंगे. थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट बैंक, हाँ अभी चल रहा है. अभी थोड़ा सा नीचे करेंगे. अभी देखो बिल्कुल एटीट्यूड में आ गया. देखो तुम ही तो फ्लाई कर रहे हो. Next up we have the storytellers. Now this man is pretty senior. He has been in this profession for years now. Throughout his life, he has trained several students and he's always eager to share his stories and experiences of flying around with them with everyone else around him. But the problem is, not everyone wants to listen. Sir, we are currently in contact with Azamgarh Tower. Should I contact Lucknow? हाँ कर लो अभी. It's almost half an hour to land into Lucknow. कर लो अभी कर लो. By the way, तुमको पता है एक बार ना मैं भुवनेश्वर जा रहा था मेरे एक स्टूडेंट के साथ, तो उसने पता है क्या किया? उसने ये किया, और फिर हम लोग जाके लैंड कर गए. अच्छा, तुम अभी लखनऊ को कॉल किए थे ना? क्या बोला लखनऊ वालों ने? हम लखनऊ पहुंच गए सर, बस लैंडिंग क्लियरेंस चाहिए. The fifth kind of flight instructor is again exactly opposite to the last one. He is the listener. Now this person is the best instructor to fly with when you're just starting your flying training. Quite obviously, when you're just starting up, you will have a lot of confusions and questions about aviation and flying. And this person will always be patient and will solve all your doubts, be it on the ground or in the cockpit, very patiently and very calmly. He's the calmest person around, and whenever you fly with him, you yourself is also in that calm mood, and you can literally feel his vibes, and he can even meditate in the cockpit. He's so calm and patient with his students. Alright, so that brings us to the last kind of instructor you can expect to meet, and according to me, this one is the most exciting one. He is the stud pilot. This person is just not guts. He's all guts and all glory. He is literally all things you would expect a pilot from a Telugu film to be. This particular instructor has so much confidence in his flying skills that he literally flies with the aircraft like it's a little toy. And as a matter of fact, he is also the best with all the emergencies. He has experience of everything and he knows exactly what to do when something goes wrong. इनको सब पता होता है. As a trainee, you better have a heart of steel if you want to fly with this man. Whatever kind of instructor it is, we must always remember that however we fly and whatever skills we develop is just a reflection of what our instructors teach us. All things I showed in this video is obviously exaggerated, and according to me, an instructor's job is one of the most difficult, because as an instructor, you not only have to fly that metal bird safely, but also trust a newcomer with all the controls. That is the guts an instructor must have. I have personally been blessed with a lot of lovely instructors throughout my flying training, and I can tell this with conviction that however I fly and whatever I know about the aircraft today is just because of them. I know I'm late, but through this video I also want to wish all my instructors a very happy Teachers' Day. You all have given me my wings and I shall forever be grateful. On that note, that was about it from my side in this particular video. If you like the video, please do hit the like button and also comment down below what kind of instructor you would want to fly with, or if you know any other type of instructor, please do let me know in the comment section. I would love that. Until next time, always remember, mimicry is the best form of flattery. Bye bye. अच्छा आर की भावे घुमानो जाए. हाय 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 हाय.